Moving from CBSE to IB, I think is one of the best decisions I've made because it really, I think it taught me more about who I am and what I like and what gives me satisfaction and fulfillment. So when I was finishing CBSE, I was good at science, I was good at math, so it was kind of implied that I would choose the sciences in 11th and 12th grade. But coming to the IB showed me how I could use my love for the sciences and quantitative thinking even in the social sciences, which is what was ideal for me. So before the IB, words like critical thinking, they were just words. In a sense, I couldn't really feel their meaning. But IB really changed that. So when I go into college, I'm going to know what thinking critically means, know what good research is, know how to do something different using something that exists in terms of creating knowledge. And I think that has been the greatest gift of IB. Internationally, it definitely opened a lot of doors for me in terms of course, universities and after university is employment. But more than that, it's opened doors for me because I now know what I'm capable of. So it has taught me that put in almost any situation, I can find a way to get out of it. I can find a way to accomplish the task because it's about aptitude. It's not just about whether I have a certain piece of knowledge or not. So I think IB really teaches you that if you're given something, you should be able to make something out of it. GIS's greatest asset is the dedicated set of teachers they have here. My experience was only with IB teachers and it was just amazing. My French teacher, my psychology teacher, my French teacher Anuradha ma'am and psychology teacher Sarah ma'am worked tirelessly and to make every class more interesting than the last. I'm joining the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences at the National University of Singapore. I plan to major in economics.